Is Apex Legends stuck on the loading screen? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it fast so you can get back in the game. First, if you're on PC, open Steam or EA app and verify your game files. Corrupted files are one of the most common reasons Apex won't load. Next, clear your cache. On PC, delete the cache folder from the EA app or Steam. On console, restart in safe mode and clear cache from storage settings. Make sure your graphics card and system updates are fully installed. Outdated drivers can freeze Apex at the loading screen. Next, check your internet connection. Switch to a wired connection if possible, or restart your router. Apex needs a stable connection to get past the login and load-in screen. On Xbox or PlayStation, try logging out of your account, power cycling your console, and then launching Apex again. If none of these fixes work, reinstall Apex Legends completely. This clears corrupted installs and usually solves the problem. Now you should be back in the game and ready to drop in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.